Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Math Expert. Students, if you are new here, kindly do subscribe my YouTube channel, click the bell icon. And if you have any question related to this topic, you can send us by email in the comment section. I will solve and send to you. So today we will solve this question of the numbers 2, 3, and 5, which are eigenvalues of the matrix. So we are given a 3 cross 3 matrix, and simply we can calculate its eigenvalues. Then we choose the best one option. So we are given a matrix. First of all, I will tell you about the eigenvalues. Eigenvalues is a minus lambda I, where I is the identity matrix, equal to 0. So basically A matrix is our this matrix. So we write here A is equal to, so we write this A is equal to 3, 5, 3, 1, 7, 3, 1, 2, 8 minus lambda I is lambda 0, 0, 0, lambda 0, 0, 0, and lambda, okay, equal to 0. Now we subtract these two matrices. Both have same order, 3 cross 3 matrix. Then I will take the determinant of this. So we will take the determinant of this is equal to 3 minus lambda 5, 3, 1, 7 minus lambda 3, 1, 2, 8 minus lambda, and then I equal to 0. Now we will solve the determinant of this matrix. So you know that 3 minus lambda into 7 minus lambda, 8 minus lambda, then I have minus 5, sorry, not minus 5, then I have 3 2s are 6, minus 5 into, then I have 8 minus lambda, and 3 1s are 3, minus 3, plus 3 into 2 1s are 2, minus 7 plus lambda equal to 0. Now we just solve this polynomial equation. We have 3 minus lambda into 7 minus lambda into 8 minus lambda, bracket close, minus 6 into 3 minus lambda. Then I have minus 5 into 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 minus lambda plus 3 into 2 minus 7, which is equal to lambda minus 5 equal to 0. Now we simplify this. 3 minus lambda into 7 8s are 56, minus 7 of lambda minus 8 of lambda plus lambda ka square, minus 6 these are 18, minus minus plus 6 of lambda minus 5 5s are 25, minus minus plus 5 of lambda plus 3 of lambda, plus minus minus 5 these are 15 equal to 0. Now we again simplify this. 3 minus lambda into 56 minus 7 minus 7 minus 8, which is equal to 15 of lambda plus lambda ka square, minus minus 18 minus 25 minus 15, which is equal to minus 58, and then I have 6 lambda plus 5 lambda plus 3 lambda, which is equal to plus 14 of lambda equal to 0. Now we have more simplification. Now 56 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 168, minus 15 3s are 45 lambda. Then I have plus 3 lambda square minus 56 lambda minus minus plus 15 lambda का square plus minus minus lambda का cube lambda ka cube, then I have minus 58 plus 14 of lambda equal to 0. Now we just collect the similar terms. So we have minus lambda ka cube, lambda square plus 3 lambda square plus 5 lambda square, which is equal to plus 18 lambda square plus 18 lambda square. Then I have minus 45 lambda, minus 56 lambda, and plus 14 lambda, which is equal to minus 87 lambda. And then I have 168 and minus 58. So this is equal to plus 110 equal to 0. So I can write this lambda ka cube minus 18 lambda ka square plus 87 of lambda minus 110 equal to 0. Now this is a cubic equation, and you know that for cubic equation we use synthetic division. By synthetic division, and here we will choose lambda is equal to 2. For example, I choose lambda is equal to 2, and we have here 1 minus 18, 87, and minus 110. So you can choose first 1, then minus 1, then I choose 2, and 2 is the best one, because if we put here 2 ka square, 2, and this will satisfy the equation. It means the 2 is the first root of the equation. So 2 ones are 2, so I get minus 16. 16 twos are minus 32, so I get here 55, and 55 twos are 110, which is equal to 0. So it's mean that lambda is equal to 2 is the first root of this equation. So we have equation here lambda ka square minus 16 of lambda plus 55 equal to 0. Now if I can write this lambda ka square minus 11 5s are 55, 11 lambda minus 5 of lambda plus 55 equal to 0. So you know that we just factorize this equation, lambda into lambda minus 11 minus 5 into lambda minus 11 equal to 0. So we have lambda is equal to 11 and lambda is equal to 5. So we have lambda is equal to 2, the first root we calculate. Then we have lambda is equal to 11, the second root, and then I have lambda is equal to 5, the third root. So we will choose, we have 3 roots. So 3 eigenvalues, basically the values of lambda. So we have here lambda is equal to 2 is the eigenvalue, 5 is the eigenvalue. So 2 and 5 only. So option C is the correct option for this. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. Thank you.